Alright guys, so Pepe Coin is getting ready, preparing for a big move soon. As we can see here guys, something is happening here on the RSI, on the relative strength index here on Pepe Coin. As we can see here, this recent pump here on the RSI was as high as this previous. Meaning guys, we had as much strength as we had here, meaning as well a lot of capital flew into Pepe Coin. Major buyers stepped in around this pump here, and now we are seeing it retracing, forming some sort of a double bottom. As we've seen in my previous Pepe Coin video, I told you guys we probably could see some sort of a double bottom here on Pepe Coin. Before we go again, try this previous resistance that we've been talking about guys, as this resistance here guys still is the major resistance we need to break before we see that rally up higher. This would be the sign of strength from Pepe Coin. We need to break above it anyways guys. Now as we can see here guys, on the RSI we clearly tapped that previous high, which is this one here. We clearly tapped it on the RSI, which also is a source of a bullish divergence guys, which meaning guys, now we had a double bottom with the RSI going on a upward trend. This is usually called a bullish divergence, especially here happening on the daily charts guys. So Pepe Coin here is preparing for a big move soon. Now you might be asking me guys, so why we did not see this move happening? As we all know right now, Bitcoin is being rejected from that 28k level, which is right now weakening the whole market. But right now guys, we've seen the SEC won't appeal loss in grayscale case, boosting the odds of GBTC can become a Bitcoin ETF. So basically, for those that didn't know guys, the grayscale applied for a Bitcoin ETF and SEC was against it, but then finally it got approved and the SEC right now won't appeal the loss on that case. So we are seeing slowly the SEC losing its grip against the crypto space guys, which is really bullish. I know right now guys, a lot of people are scaring you about the recession, about everything wrong with the markets right now, about the upcoming depression, about the upcoming real estate crash. They are shaking you out of your bags. I know that's scary right now guys to be in the markets, but that's the right time. I'll keep saying this guys. As we can see right now guys, the charts as well are showing strength, especially here on that bottom guys. We are seeing this double bottom on Pepe Coin. And right now guys, as this news came out, and it came out yesterday during a weekend, this got Bitcoin rallying above 27k. Right now we're seeing it getting rejected again, but nonetheless we are slowly forming a bottom here, as we are seeing here, which means guys, Bitcoin is as well gonna go for another try towards that 28k 500 by the next week, which as well guys here times pretty nicely with Pepe Coin bouncing off that level and going for another try. And as a side note, for those that are day trading guys, this is almost a 40% or a 35% pump from these lows. So keep in mind, if you're day trading, as I'm day trading as well, I'm gonna take a long here on Pepe Coin. Nothing is financial advice as always. Now this is still a huge pump, but as we all know, for the long term we need Pepe Coin to break above that level here, around that 80 level, 90 level, and hold, and we can talk higher prices here on Pepe Coin. But nonetheless guys, here we are seeing some bullish news, some bullish structure going on here on Pepe Coin on the whole market. So next week is gonna be really interesting, seeing what's gonna happen here next week as well guys. We got the FOMC, we got the CPR report coming in a little bit bearish this week, and nonetheless market did not get affected that much, but a bullish news here got the market moving. Now this tells us guys something here, that the market has had enough of bearish news. The market does not respond as much to bearish news anymore. No more FOMC, CPR reports do not affect Bitcoin that much, do not affect the markets that much. But a small win from the SEC here did give Bitcoin here some strength. As we can see here guys, on the lower time frame, yesterday Bitcoin rallied toward that 27k, and now we're seeing it retracing, but nonetheless, as I showed you on the daily chart, we're seeing this structure going on here. Now we need to break above this, and then we see Bitcoin going again, trying that 28k, probably here trying at that high here, that's 28k 500. So guys, you want to keep an eye here on Pepe Coin. My gut feeling here is telling me that we are gonna see a pump soon here on Pepe Coin, especially with this bullish RSI right now. As we can see, for the first time, the RSI was on that deeply undervalued, deeply oversold levels from here. And this is when we've seen this huge strength on the RSI. We've seen as well a lot of buyers stepping in here, guys. So that's a bullish structure now, guys, on Pepe Coin. Check it from a technical analysis standpoint, as we can see as well, this bullish divergence, higher highs, higher lows on the RSI, while the price is going sideways, which is bullish. As well, guys, if you are watching me right now, guys, you're enjoying my content, so I want to share with you something here as well. Now, recently on Twitter, we've seen a huge news here. Coinbase announced listing of this coin big time. Now, I did not take much of it when I saw it, but then I went to CoinMarketCap today on top trending cryptocurrencies here, and it is the #1 trending coin, and the market cap here is still around that $32 million market cap. And if we look at where this coin is listed now, so far this coin is listed on Coinbase and KuCoin as major exchanges, where OKX, Gate.io, and right now, guys, this coin is standing at $32 million market cap. So it's listed on KuCoin. I got some bags from this coin. I'm just letting you guys know, just as a side note here. This coin is listed on Coinbase and KuCoin, and I am guessing right now the two biggest other exchanges that are left is Bybit and Binance. And this coin, guys, is a metaverse coin, a game basically, which is an NFT game, guys. So I don't know much about this coin. I need to make more research on this coin. I'll make probably a separate video, but I'm just letting you guys know as you're watching me here, just adding some value here to this video. It's a pretty decent entry here with a $32 million market cap, listed on Coinbase. So everyone was shocked that Coinbase just out of the blue listed this coin. Coinbase usually is one of the latest exchanges to list any coin, as we all know right now. Coinbase, we're still waiting for Coinbase to list Pepe Coin. We don't know now. Maybe Coinbase is preparing for something big here, guys. Maybe Coinbase will go ahead and start listing those major coins like Pepe Coin. So the one thing that I don't like about this coin, guys, big time, this coin, is we have total supply 5 billion, max supply 5 billion, but only a 158 million coins in circulation, which is a huge red flag, which means usually, guys, a lot of venture capitalists, a lot of VCs are holding coins. They are locked right now. Maybe I still need to look at how long they're gonna be locked, but that means as well, as soon as this coin gonna pump, they are gonna sell, they're gonna dump on people. So I'm just letting you guys know right now. I do not think they're gonna dump on people right now on this coin. So we're not gonna see a dump. As you can see, guys, this thing is going on a reaper. It's probably gonna still pump, probably around that $200 million market cap at least right now, guys. So you want to keep an eye on this one. It's listed on KuCoin, Coinbase if you're on Coinbase, OKX, Gate.io. Now, it's very likely that we could see this coin listed on Bybit, at least Bybit, and maybe as well Binance. Now, if it gets listed on Binance, that's too late, guys. As soon as it's gonna get listed on Binance, we're gonna see it crashing. So you want to keep an eye on this coin, guys. Just to let you know, as a side note, adding some value to this video here. And as well, it's a good point here to look at what Coinbase is doing. If they're starting to list these low market cap coins, that's maybe a huge sign that they could list Pepe Coin. Maybe them leaving the US market is a sign that they're gonna start listing other coins. Maybe they could list Pepe Coin. So we want to keep an eye on this as well, guys. So remember, I'll keep you updated with whatever is going on here, guys, as always, guys. And if you are trading derivatives, looking for an exchange that does not require no KYC, no VPN, guys, to trade, you can check out FairDesk. I'll leave you the link in the description. There is as well a competition going on right now with 1.8 million USDT for grabs for the winners if you're winning, and as well 4,000 daily bonuses for top 10 traders, guys. And you can as well on that same exchange follow my trades, copy my trades, make some passive income. I'm day trading here daily. You will find the link in the description for those that are interested. And again, guys, remember, everything in this video is my humble opinion, nothing is financial advice. And thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.